Hi, Malay here. Today we will learn about watermark, how we can use watermark in our social media post. It's a great concept to make your brand visible. Each and every post, when it is attached with a watermark, that is one kind of copyright, you use it. And if you just set in your systems and automatically when you post any social media post through social planner, it will be automatically created and your brand will be more visible toward your audience. How we can create this watermark? Today I will just reveal here. For that features, we have to go to our sub accounts. Under sub accounts in marketing tab there is social media planner. We will go to the social media planner settings where there is the different segments: social accounts, notification categories, watermark. Here to my Facebook account was connected. If we want to make watermark, then we have to go to the watermark segments. Then we have to create watermarks. I have already created one watermark. For the understanding, I just take a look how it works. And for that, this is the business Gurukul, the watermarks. This is placed in right side bottom. If I want to customize this place, then we can do accordingly. If I want to make it up, right side up, then we can make it right like that. If I want to make it left sides up, then we can make it here. But I always prefer to its right side bottom sections. If we want to create some opacity, that's how the visibility and watermark percentage will be, then we can control from there. And if I want to make the scale, how it looks like, how more bigger, how much it looks in the post, then I can control from the scale background. And it is also the auto padding systems, where if auto padding is off, then it would be from the corner. But when we will turn on the auto padding, then automatically equal spacing and then update. Whenever we want to create any post in social media, then how it would be placed and how it would be set, I'm showing right now. For that, I have to come social planner, and there is two account are connected that is business Gurukul and Malaypal. This is Facebook account. If I want to post in this account, then we have to go to the create post section. Then I have to choose the account for which I have to post my social media post. I want to post in Facebook page business Gurukul, and I